Good evening to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinancing.com. This is our website smartfinancing.com, and yesterday I have released one video on Gann's tetrahedron principle, how you can use that principle for yearly prediction. So that is what I have explained yesterday. And you have seen that whenever we have taken 2022 data and we have forecasted for 2023, we got the prediction, but it was deviated by plus or minus 30 rupees. So whatever actual high happened, actual low happened, and whatever our calculation was there, it was plus or minus 30 rupees difference was there. And similarly for 2023 data, when we took and we projected or forecasted for 2024, we also got some plus or minus 10 to 15 point deviation. I have also warned you and told you that this is a crude data you are using, so this much of accuracy you can get. You cannot expect more than this accuracy. This deviation will be there. But today is a very special session. Today I am going to use the same tetrahedron principle along with volatility. And you will see that the deviation what you have experienced 30, 40 points, 10, 15 points, that has reduced to just 1 to 2 points. So that kind of improvement in the forecasting has happened just by adding volatility into this. So this is what I am going to give it in this video. Since it is an academic video, I am seeing that many people are seeing for 1 minute, 2 minutes and all. It is of no use. Do not waste your time by this 1 or 2 minutes of video. This is not a movie video. This is not an entertainment video. These are the stuff which is having pure academics inside it, and you need to view it till the end to understand. Also, I am noticing many of you are viewing this video, but you are reluctant to give a like or give a comment. Don't be so selfish, because your like and comments helps the YouTube to optimize this video, to deliver it to many people, so that many people will be get benefited out of it. No doubt I will be also get benefited, but benefit for the world is more than my benefit. When I repeat this sentence, my benefit is very, very less as compared to the benefit what the world will get by sharing this video with your friends or giving a like or comment in this video. How world will be benefited? You know that if you just go to the internet and search for Gann course, you will get many stops. Many stops. It is not the only one stop. Many stops on Gann course you will get. Those who are asking for 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, like this. And content is not there. What content they will teach, it is not there. What stuff they will teach, that is not there. Person who has designed that course, his academic background also not there. Nothing is there. Just they ask for that. They will show you the moon. You will never get the moon. And finally, you will end up paying a huge money. And this is what many of the people are experiencing, and they are calling us. And that makes our moral duty that we must put an impact, so that this kind of cheating should not happen with anyone. So here, whenever I am talking about my Gann course, it is 1900. You lift any concept out of that. We have given this all modules, each topics, everything. You take any concept, it has a formula, it has a calculation, it has an explanation, it has everything black and white. You can test it, you can touch it, you can feel it, you can prove it. You can do that calculation and see how your forecasting is working. This is what Smart Finance Gann course is. This is what myself Ranjan's Gann courses, and I am the author of this course. I am the author of this book, and my academic credentials and everything, it is there in the open domain. You can find it out. So that is why I used to say share as much as possible, and also you must give a like. So now coming to the subject, I have promised you that volatility we are going to use in the tetrahedron, and it is you will get stunned and you will get surprised how the result has improvised. So for that same data we'll be using the 2022 data and going to forecast for 2023. We are going to use for 2023 data and going to forecast for 2024. So first I will be going with the 2022 data. So here, once I am going to the 2022 data, I have to calculate the volatility. Simply I cannot get the volatility. My volatility is slightly different from the other volatility. So you got, this is the closing price of every day, this is open price, high price, low price. So I am considering this low price, this open high and the closing price is of no use for me. Why I am considering this low price? Every day when there is a low is being made and the price closed above the low, sometimes much above the low, sometimes slightly above the low. So whatever may be the situation, this is known as one of the swing bottom. So whatever the swing happened, that swing bottom price I am taking, and I am using this swing bottom or every day's low price to compute the volatility. The reason why I am doing this, because the volatility what I will get by using the low data is the maximum volatility, and since it is a swing bottom, whatever volatility I will get in this data, using this data, will be the maximum volatility for the future. Means for 2022, if I use this data, the volatility what I will get, this will be the maximum parameter for year 2023. Using this low data, whatever I will project for the 2024, that will be also maximum. So when you take that swing low data, it has this implication. Beyond that, also many other theories which has very important implications in this. However, this is the one of the reason we are taking low data. Then I will be taking the LN value of 4th January 2022 divided by the 3rd January 2022. This is known as your absolute return, but we can't say this is absolute return because this is the data what we are using, it is the low. So we can say that it is a swing return. So square swing return, so swing return and square swing return we have taken. Then after for all this data, I have taken the same LN values. So last data you can see the 29th December and 30th December and the square of that. Post that I am taking the average of all this. Whatever the swing absolute return I got or swing return I got, that average and square swing returns average also I have taken. After taking this, I have to find out the standard deviation. So whatever the square swing return data is there minus the absolute swing returns data double multiple, that is giving me standard deviation. Yes, these are the things required for calculating the volatility. Then I will take the square root of that, I got the volatility. Now this volatility what you got 0.0107, this is for 1 day, but we have 248 days in this particular year. So I have to multiply it with square root of 248. So I again say I am not multiplying with the square root of 365. I am multiplying with the square root of 248. So that's why I told you from the beginning, my volatility will be different from the other volatility. This is the research Smart Finance does, and this is the research we put in our course. That's why our courses and softwares are entirely different from others. And we go for constant innovation. It is not that this is being done, so next year no innovation. We used to continue this innovation year on year basis. That's why those who align with us and learn from us, they should have a new stuff to learn from Smart Finance. That's why people, those who join our course, those who join our webinar, they constantly in a learning curve. So they don't think they simply learn, they don't earn. They earn enormous also. They earn enormous. That is also is there. They are happy people. They never gamble in the things, or they are not having a greed to earn anything without having anything in their brain. Their brain is well ripe, well charged to earn big money. So this is what Smart Finance training is. So that is why I used to say must evaluate every concept. So now I am multiplying this thing with the 18105.30, which is the 30th December data, and divided by 100. So this will give me 3077. So recall yesterday what price range we have taken? The high-low difference 3700. However, today the price range has become 3077. And same process, I will be dividing it with the 248. My step is 12.4082. So my step now revised to 12 point. My step is now revised to 12.4083, and my seed is 18,105.3. So my seed and step, I have done it. Now go for the calculation. So here I will be going for the calculation 18,105.30, and the step is 12.4083. Done. So this calculation done, and again I say, yesterday's video, when you use the crude data, the actual high and actual low was having 30 to 40 point difference in the year of 2023. Now what we are getting? We are getting a high of 21,801.45. This is the high for 2023. 16,828.35. This is the low of the year 2023. Let me go back to the calculation and see. See, this is what happened. Your calculated value is 21,803. The high happened 801.45. Similarly, to get the low, we have to, like before, we will be making the step as negative. Once I get the step as negative, just see here, our calculated value for this particular cycle was 16,827, and happening up the actual low was 16,828.35. The deviation has come down to 1.2, 1.5 point. This is the difference the volatility makes when it mixes with the Gann study. When it mixes with the Gann study, when it mixes with the Elliott study, when it mixes with the Fibonacci study, this is the difference it makes. So for that, you have to understand what is volatility. You have to study. Nobody can able to bottle feed you, spoon feed you, because these are the things required some work. Hard work, not simple work. You have to learn. But it is not that I will not understand. 10th fellow also can understand if he concentrate. So this is what the 2023 you have got. Same process I am going for 2023 data. I will be projecting for 2024. I will not go detail into the calculation. Step has come to 8.20. 8.20 step, and the end price was 21,731. 731.40. This is what happened. So now we'll be putting the same thing in our Excel, and I'll be taking 21,731.40 and 8.2. So I told you these are plans, structures. Only thing is that you have to fit this structure into different ways. 2028, 2029 you can put it. So this is what our steps, and we have made this. So you have found out here it is ending at 24,692.65. Means we have gone till 26,000 plus. It is ending one cycle ended at 24,692.65. This is what the yearly expectation was. So 24,692.65. 24,692.65. So first cycle ended, second cycle will go. So we have used the seed number, we have changed from the original to the first cycle ending price. We got the second cycle. So have a look here. What was the high happened? High happened 26,277 rupees and 30 paisa, and your calculated point was 76. This is what you have achieved. Similar way, now if we want to see the bottom, we cannot go with this second cycle data. We have to go back to the original data. So what was the original data? Original data was 21,731.4. 21,731.40, and I will be making these steps as negative. So by this process, I got the bottom. So what was the bottom? In year 2024, we have a bottom of 21,137 rupees and 20 paisa or 30 paisa something. So see the calculation here. So 33 here, 41 here. So 3 to 4 point deviation, you got the bottom. Similar way, once the year 2024 ends, you can project for year 2025. So this is the analysis. Now, based on this analysis, you need to build up your trade plans. Your trade plans will be different, hedging plans will be different, mine trade plans will be different, hedging plans will be different. So once your forecasting is correct, then your trade plan also will become correct. You need not have to see any TV, you need not have to buy someone's tips and other things. You can get these methods working for you. And this is not the only one isolated method. In Gann, I have given vibration number, many such methods, unique methods, and these methods time and again has proven it. If you are a course buyer, start learning. You did not understand anything, put the message to the WhatsApp group. I will answer it. Give me any data, I can prove that whatever this things concept it is there, it is working or not. Whether it is commodity, whether it is currency, whether it is cryptocurrency, everywhere this will be respected, because this is taken based on the angle arithmetic, energy arithmetic, and many other hidden science behind it. So this is how you should use the Gann course. And if you are interested, without the delay, procure this course. It is only 1,900 rupees. Start your learning, and within 2 to 3 months, you will get prepared to do a better forecast, which will have logics behind it, which will have mathematical background behind it. You will feel it. Yes, I projected this, calculated this forecast worked. You will not be the only one. Those who have bought from 2005 to till date, many people are being created in this order. Here, no panky big advertisement concept that yes, I told this happened. I am not telling anything. This is the mathematical way you calculate, you will get the result. That is what our course and others courses difference. Now we are running also the new year offer. All courses and all our softwares we are getting at a 9,999 price. If you are interested, procure it. And 30th December this offer will be get closed, or 31st December we are going to close this offer. Then after, the full package price will be 13,000 and odd. So that will be, full package price will be 13,000 and odd. Post this, you can say post this new year, we are giving new year offer now. If you are interested, you can procure it. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Please share this video with your friends. Give a like there, and you must comment in the video if you have any stuffs which you did not able to grasp or understand. So use these valid techniques and do not get fooled by the people, those who are telling they know some secret techniques on Gann which will cost lakhs. There is no such techniques in this thing. If that is there, you tell me what technique they knew which is not known to me or not known to the world, so that they should be paid few lakhs for that. To my knowledge, those lakhs asking people having no stuffs which is not available in my course. If that is there, let them open up and tell this is the content, this is the course, for this I am asking 1 lakh, 2 lakh. They should tell that. If they do not say that, then do not get fooled by such kind of empty promise and throw your hard-earned money. This course is only 18,999. Learn it, forecast it, get success in your. Thank you very much. Thank you for your